Hello friends, today's recipe is a very popular one from the Sindhi cuisine, Alu Tuk, Tuk Patata. They are double fried crispy potato slices. We sprinkle some spice powders on top of them and they are served as an accompaniment with dal chawal, kadhi chawals, sai bhaji pulao. So let's go and make them. To make the Tuk Patata, select large size of potatoes. I have taken 3 potatoes, peel them, peel all the potatoes, cut them into thick slices. Put them in the water immediately so that they don't discolor. After slicing, rinse them very well to remove the excess starch. Change the water, take fresh water. Add about 2 teaspoons of salt. Mix it. And we are going to set this aside for at least 1 hour or more until you are ready to fry them. Now heat oil in a pan. When the oil is hot, remove the potatoes from the salt water and put them into the pan. Fry them on high flame first. Put half the quantity of potatoes. Now continue to fry them, stirring them occasionally so that they get fried evenly. Now we have to half fry these potatoes. It takes about 5 minutes and now the potatoes are ready to be removed. These are half fried potatoes. We are going to set them aside again to become soft. Remove them in a container. Cover the lid. You have to keep them covered well, at least for 1 hour or more. Now the potatoes have become softer. We can flatten them and fry. Take each slice, and now that it is soft, it can be flattened easily. Flatten all the potatoes and keep them ready to fry. All the potatoes are done. Look at the thickness of the potatoes. It is quite thin, flattened well. This will make it crunchier. Now heat the oil and put about 6 to 7 pieces of potatoes at a time so that they don't break and get crispier. Make the oil hot first and reduce the flame to medium. Keep turning the potatoes. Fry them on medium flame so that they don't become dark in color and get crispier at the same time. The potatoes are almost done now. Now it's time to remove them. Remove them on a kitchen tissue so that the excess oil is drained out. The second fry should be done just before you are ready to serve. Now repeat the same with the remaining potato slices. Fry them until they are crispy. Now all the potatoes are done and ready. We are going to sprinkle the spice powders on them now. Take the spice powders. We have crushed black pepper, coriander powder, Amchoor powder, red chilli powder, Cumin powder, and some Garam masala powder. We are going to sprinkle all these on the potatoes while they are hot. Place them in the serving platter. Sprinkle all the powders one by one on them. Little bit of everything, as much as you like. The spice level also can be as per your taste. The Amchoor also gives the nice tangy flavor to the potatoes. You can skip the red chilies if you don't like. You can add the quantity, increase the quantity of black pepper. Now the potatoes are ready to be served. Nice and crispy. So friends, here are the crispy and crunchy Tuk Patata. The recipe was very easy and I am sure you are going to give it a try. You will surely love them.